My friends and I have been going outside a lot lately. We were making the most of the nice weather because we know that the rainy season, storms or typhoons can come without a warning. Did you know I make spontaneous videos without a script beforehand? I begin from a blank canvas and create from what is right in front of me. And since I don't know what would happen next, it makes every filming day an adventure. I fell in love with this place the first time we went here. It's just stunning. I hope I could capture all the beauty of this place for you, but I can only do so much now. I don't want to make a wrong impression that I'm living an easy life because of the videos I show. I want my audience to feel relaxed and rested whenever you come to visit this channel. I intentionally make videos that are a breath of fresh air to the lungs and to the soul, videos that give you peace, serenity, and wisdom. And because of that, I don't show you what I call the mundane life of a wife and a mother. I guess you are already familiar with what it looks like to have children around. Filming that part of my life may not be in alignment with what I intend this channel to be. Sometimes it's tempting to think that someone is living a perfect kind of life just because it's what we see in their posts. But in reality, we know that all of us experience life difficulties. We suffer or are in pain sometimes. It's the same for everyone, though we each have our own seasons. And these low moments are the ones which we don't openly talk about or show others. Moving here in the country was a choice. There was a huge price that we paid for. We risked living in a place far away from all the people we knew. We traded off the occasional social events like weddings or parties of close friends. We were scared, but headed on to a new adventure of our lives. And later we realized that all the opportunities to explore nature are now within our grasps because of that brave choice. The pandemic began and we couldn't imagine our lives back in the city if we had stayed.
Something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy we go.
If people are doing good in whichever area in their lives, they or someone else have paid the price for it. In every choice we make, there is always a risk. When you welcome friendships, you risk being misunderstood or being left behind. When you fall in love with someone, you risk being rejected or broken. Any attempt at anything has a chance of complete failure, and yet it is the only way for us to know something is worth it. I knew some people who would refuse to go soak themselves in the beach just because they don't want to feel the uncomfortable feeling of the sand on their skin. But that's how life is. There are trade-offs to make. Without making a choice is a choice. Without taking risks, we live wondering, not experiencing bliss. Whatever it is that you have been wanting to do, which you know would expand you as a person, will bring growth into your being. Take risks. I have never heard of anyone who has tried and regretted trying. There is only regret when one fails to even try. Cultivate an attitude of going for things that you want. Between choosing a comfortable life and a life that is authentic, choose the latter. Authenticity may not always be comfortable, but it makes everything worthwhile.